Hi guys, welcome back. I have another new reptile pet here I want to show you. This is called the blue-tongue lizard or blue-tongue skink. In Australia they call this bluey. This is a common blue-tongue lizard found at the eastern part of Australia. So this one is called eastern blue-tongue. As you can see, this lizard is also a placid pet, so there's no problem handling it. And the reason why they call this a blue tongue, as you can see, his tongue is bluish in color. There you go. As he always try to bring it out. There, okay, it's better. There you go. So as you can see there, its tongue is bluish in color, so that's the reason why they're called blue tongue. One trait of a blue tongue lizard is as you can see, they can't stay put that much, unlike compared to a bearded dragon. A bearded dragon, when you try to put it down like this, most of the time they settle down and stay there. But blue tongues, they love to hide most of the time, and during cold season they like to always try to stay where they hide, and they only rarely go out when they feel like they want to drink or they want to eat a bit. But mostly they do in a form of what you call, it's not hibernation, but what they're doing is a form of they slow down their metabolism, and they don't eat much during cold season. So during cold season, that's what they do. They just brumate. That's the right term. They just brumate and slow down their metabolism. They don't eat much. And during summer, they eat a lot. They can eat every day. Most of the diets, they can also eat insects, and they can eat veggies. They can also eat pure veggies, and including dog food. They can eat dog food or cat food. They're not a fussy pet to have, so they're a good pet to have. Just like bearded dragon, they are placid, and as you can see, when I hold it, it doesn't do any harm to me. It just want to get away. So that's it. This is a blue tongue lizard. So thanks for watching this short video about introduction of this lizard, a blue tongue lizard. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon on my next video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.